Hey guys, me again. Here in this video I'm gonna be showing you inside the Getmecom GX6605s. Okay, without further ado, let's have a look. As we can see here, I connect red cable to TX pin on the board, and the brown cable is connected to RX pin, and then green cable is soldered to the ground. Don't get confused of the connection to my USB-TTL adapter. As you can see, the TX from the board are now connected to the RX and the adapter, and vice versa. And the green wire and green cable is connected to the GND or ground. Okay, next time I will show you how I flash the box using the GX downloader application. That's all. See you next time.